Hello, thank you for joining another session of Forex Trading with Olamide Olayemi. All right, so today is another day. A market day has closed, and then we have just started a new market day. All right, so we want to look at possible trades that we can take for the new day. So if you look at this, my chart, I have NZD-USD. The NZD-USD is forming a pin bar here. It's forming a pin bar here. You understand? And then what we are also looking at is it's supposed to go up. If the chart is the market is in a ranging market for a long time. So if you look at it from this place, it usually gets to this resistant level and then comes back to this support level, gets to this resistant level, and then come down to this support level. And then it's supposed to get there, but it retraced down. And then right now, we think it's about to start going back in that same vein. Our MFI is also showing that it has gotten to the 20 points, which is most of the time the lowest that it should get to before trying to adjust back to it. And then here it's forming a pin bar, an upward pin bar, so which is a bullish one. So we expect it to go up in the course of the day. Don't forget, we are looking at some things to ascertain our upward movement of the market. Also, the fundamental analysis also showed that the dollar is trying to gain momentum today. Yesterday, and then it's trying to pull back. It did that against the Canadian dollar, and then we expect it to do it across some similar currency pairs. So why did we say this is a bullish a bullish trade to take? Is because one, we have been going in an upward trend. That's the trend that we want to do. But if you look at it from November 2020, you will see that it has always gone up to this level, and then when it gets to this resistant level, it usually comes down to this same level, and which is a support level. And also when it goes back again, it comes out to that place again. But it started doing a choppy market for some days, and then it went down, but you can see it went up, it went down again after some time, and then we expect it to still go back up in the course of the day. All right, so that because we believe that it has gone down enough for it to pick back up, and then we expect the dollar to be strong in the course of the day. All right, so that is for New Zealand USD daily time frame. So it's a buy trade. You can ensure you look at your spread before you enter the trade. Ensure that the spread is less than 70 before you enter, so that you are not caught up in high negative. But the good thing is, even if you enter very high, just stay there for some time for it to retrace, and then we hope that it's going to retrace back up. All right, so apart from that, we also have Euro USD also is doing similar for the day. If you look at Euro USD, likewise, for a long time, Euro USD to this level at which they are, this support level is a place whereby it's a turning point. So you can see in April, when it got to this level, it started going back up. So, and then now it has been doing some ranging for some time, and then right now, well, it's here again. So we expect it to go back up, even if it goes down a little. So we still expect it that it's going to go back up because that's got into the support level. If we look at it for a long period of time, you see that whenever it gets to this level, it attempts to just go back up. All right, and here we are also having a pin bar. So the pattern that we are looking at here is a pin bar, and then we are looking at it that it's going to go back up because it has been doing that resistance, that ranging for some time. It has come down for a long time, then it's going to ascend up. So that's USD, Euro USD. All right. So, and also if we look at our MFI2, the MFI2 is also telling us that it has cut against the 20 point, which is the lowest that most of the time usually get to before it adjusts itself and then start going back up. All right. So those are the two trades that we see are looking positive. Yeah. It might look as if it's not doing what we expect, but we just need to give it time for it to do the right thing, and then don't be scared. All right, so those are the two trades. You can also support your trade by using the what's it called, you can use trailing stop to ensure that once it goes back a little bit up, and then if it wants to try to drop, you can quickly get out of the trade. All right, so those are the two trades that we are taking for today. We expect them to close before the end of the new day. So, but don't forget, this is forex trading. We are only forecasting and then running analysis. So we expect it to go as we have predicted. So, but don't forget that forex trading also comes with some risk, and then you have to be aware of that. And at the same time, when you are in negative, it doesn't mean that you are going to lose the trade. You just need to be sure of what is happening in the market, and then if you are to stay with it, stay with it. If you have to get out of the trade, then you get out of the trade. All right, for those that would like to know the take profit that you are supposed to set, this is always sent, this will be sent to those that are in our group. So if you want, so you can just chat the phone number up, and then you'll be given the process of how to join the group. All right, so that will be all for tonight, and then have a lovely trading session tonight. Okay, so good night, and then bye for now.